Welcome back to Just Fix It, guys. I'm out here just enjoying this weather while it's beating down on my head. It's been a while. I'll give you guys a video about fixing anything or DIY or anything of that sort. But at this current moment, we're going to be, we have this project right here. We have this project right here that we're gonna take on. Had it for a little while, but it's been parked. If you guys probably know, I had moved from Florida for a while, so it was in storage. It was costing a lot, stuff like that. So I was like, I had bought it. First off, I had bought it to do a flip, and then things never worked out. I ended up after leave Florida for a while. I was in North Carolina. Now I came back. I've been back for a little while now, so I was like, why pay storage for a vehicle, if I'm not really using it? So at the end of the day is I'm gonna turn it really into our project, something that we can work on, and anything that's wrong with it, we'll go from there. What is this? Okay, close that. Yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, this is the Volvo. As we do videos, we'll get into the exact type of Volvo it is, but yeah, right now I will be cleaning it out. It needs to clean up a whole bit. Things like this right here need to replace, like the upholstery and all these things. Got like a lot of little, just clean up, just mainly clean up. It doesn't have no major issues. The main thing is it have high mileage. You guys remember I had a couple of Volvos before. I had the S60, I had the S80. I never did a SUV one before, but we're just gonna clean it up and see where things go. It just really needs a nice interior cleaning. Clean up all these things. The letters are kind of cracked, but I'm pretty sure we can get it back to, even if not immaculate condition, we can get it back on a level where it definitely looks good. Because if you guys know me, I don't like to ride around in a vehicle that's not up to par in terms of look or how it drives. I like to keep it up. So that is what we're going to be doing. So guys, I might not be able to have the camera all along the way while I'm cleaning it, but yeah guys, this is the, hold on, so yeah, this is the all-wheel drive Volvo XC90. So yeah guys, this is the new project. As I said, we don't have much engine issue at this point. We probably just need a maintenance, probably need an oil change, stuff like that, regular stuff that you have to do to your car, or else you won't get it in working condition. So we're gonna be doing it right now. Start the cleaning process after we get back. We're gonna show you guys how we cleaned up nice, stuff like that. But yeah, it went to the beach before it was parked, so there's just a lot of sand and stuff like that in it. I have this, it was ordered already. I'm gonna be replacing that as well. It have aftermarket radio inside of it. The AC blows, but it's not blowing hard enough for me. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know if it's the blowers or probably just the fuse, but you guys know me already. We'll figure that out. So yeah, just stick around for the cleanup, and then we'll see how it looks after we give it a nice clean. The front is not damaged or anything like that. It's okay. It's really not looking bad, but we'll figure out the rest. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Just fix it.